Howdy, boys and girls. Welcome to Kilts Culture. I am Rocky. This is Erik.
Yo, ho, ho.
Today...
That was lame. I gotta do that again. Yo! That was better. Okay.
Angry.
I gotta change it up,
Yeah, fair. We're running a pirate ship now.
Don't want my yo's to get boring.
Yeah. Yo,
So-
ho, ho. Bottle of...
Bottle of.
Today...
Segue.
Well, I have to say my line.
Okay.
Today, special treat.
Nice.
Dude, we got all kinds of sound effects today. That wasn't even on purpose. I love it. The Quiet Man Irish whiskey. I swear to God, we are not broken into this yet. See, it's still sealed.
Could have broken into something else.
That's fair. Shh. You ruined the plan. Today we're drinking the Quiet Man's traditional Irish whiskey. We got it at the store, and I was just like, I'm very curious if this is as good as the movie, or as if it lives up to the movie's namesake, or
Yeah, I mean, the impression I've gotten is that this is one of those rare instances where the product actually is good, and it's not, because you're used to like knockoff stuff, or not knockoff, but like cheesy stuff. They're just trying to ride the coattails.
A video game based on a movie is typically a bad video game.
Exactly.
Kind of thing.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay, Mac, you're gonna have to look up tasting notes because I just realized we don't have any of that kind of stuff. So,
I'll get on the Googles.
yeah, why don't you go ahead and get on the Googles while I
You have to read it in John Wayne's voice.
the entire thing. Yes. Oh, Erik and my John Wayne is lacking. We discovered that it's more of a Yogi Bear than a John Wayne often.
Yeah.
But it's quite all right. So, get my nice little.
Okay.
I'll bring in the little tabley dealy boop and a boop. All right.
Guess I'll take the Jacobite bonnet off here early on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Indeed. Not for drinking Irish whiskey. And of course, we pour it
Right.
into the oft-coveted, highly sought-after USA Kilts Glencairn glasses. Oops, that's a lot. No.
That's a lot.
Enough? Too much?
That's fine.
Good.
I'll just take it right from you there.
And Mr. Mack,
I'll
when
take
you
that
are...
right from you there, boyo.
Oh, now I'm dripping it on my kilt. That's going to be awesome.
Can't take you anywhere.
I know. There you go. So, oh, I'm sorry, you have to go around the back.
You gotta
Yes.
do the lap.
Yes,
Yep.
got to do the lap.
Through the store.
Yep.
And through that
Yep.
door, yes. And there's
And
actually
cellar.
a line of tape and maze back there.
And the Chicken Man is now moved again. We should
Oh.
move him every single show.
We have to
Just in
find
a
him.
spot
It's like
that
a
you-
Where's
like-
Waldo in the
Yeah,
background.
or like the thing they have at Trader Joe's for the kids.
Yeah, the monkey
The
thing or
monkey.
whatever.
You move
Yeah.
the monkey around.
Yeah. All right. So, I'm going to turn this sideways a little bit. All right, so we got the Quiet Man. Here.
There we go.
Quiet Man. All right,
That's
make it
cool.
look all pretty.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Because we're professional here.
Oh, exactly. Hone it in there. Just perfect. All right. So, Quiet Man Irish whiskey. Mac, did you find anything that we've, talked long enough?
I did find it finally on the
Very sweet.
the Google machine. The Quiet Man tastes exactly the way it sounds. Mellow, thoughtful, humble, smooth. It's an authentic Irish whiskey that speaks through each pour.
Each pour of my skin or each pour of the
That's a
bottle?
bad sentence.
The cops can smell you a mile away.
You've been drinking Quiet Man, haven't you?
You guys were at
Pilgrim.
Yeah.
So carefully crafted with a high malt mash and matured in first fill bourbon casks.
Wow, that's sweet.
All right. Nose. Very, very sweet, and I can't describe it. It's like it's light. Not
Yeah.
light. It's like it's like a higher note, so to speak. It's hitting me weird.
Are you hearing scents now?
I am.
You're on LSD?
Exactly. I see stuff. I don't know. All right.
I got a very the first whiff I got when I first picked up the glass was a very very grainy, just kind of a wheat barley kind of a, but that's kind of dissipated now.
So they're saying, now that I found the actual notes, you got to go through 27 doors to get to the spot in the page. It is the aroma, light and floral fragrant, yeah, that word.
Fragrance.
Fragrance.
Fragrances.
And sweet and citrus notes.
A little bit, yeah. To me, it smells kind of like honey. Maybe that's the floral-ish.
I think that's probably what they mean by the floral.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, my slice has been a mess this week, guys.
All right. They give a little sip.
I'm way ahead of you, boyo. I gotta stop saying boyo. It's stupid.
Yeah, definitely feels honey-ish. It's not like super watery. It's almost like it coats my tongue nicely in the mouthfeel. A little spicy, middle of my tongue right now. Look, am I onto something? Nick?
I don't know. Is it a perfect balance of spice and oak with a sweet vanilla and for a mellow, warm finish?
I get the spice, maybe a little bit of the vanilla. They don't list honey. I get a little bit of honey, but...
Well, it has hints of toasted oak and honey.
I'm getting the oak.
I'm getting the honey. See, we gotta mix ours.
Oh, yeah. Ah, shoot. You pour from the wrong part of the bottle.
Darn it.
You gotta turn the bottle around.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna water mine now.
Okay.
Oh, well, hang on here. Do we which one do we have?
Oh, there's more than one.
Oh,
Yeah, there's more than one.
Traditional Irish whiskey. This is... It's Gaelic, so I'm gonna butcher the hell out of it. I'm just gonna spell it, Mac.
Is it 8 year? Or
Doesn't
not?
say. It's ANFEAR space CIUIN.
So then I'm gonna go with the tasting notes that we've already have.
Okay.
Then that's the one I'm gonna say we got.
Okay. Oak bourbon cask matured, mellow and smooth, blended and bottled in dairy.
If you water it, you get a little bit more of the oak.
The 8 has a hint of honey, warm vanilla, spicy oak,
Spicy oak.
with an exceptional 100% single malt smooth finish.
This is a spicy oak.
It's so spicy.
I'm gonna tell you where it's at.
No, it's I get the spicy thing. I do get it.
Yeah.
I have it like little tingly bits on my tongue.
Peppery. I would say almost peppery.
Yeah. Peppery. Agreed. Nowhere on here does it have a year.
Let me see if I can find it. See if there's a difference in labeling.
I don't think I care that much.
It was bottled the year they finished filming the movie, and it was laid up in casks in the cabin there in the cottage.
Indeed.
We do not have the 8 year. We have the normal. We have the young buck,
The young buck.
I guess.
8 is the old buck?
I don't know. The other one doesn't have an age. So is it like infinity or is it like
Yeah, it's like 2 weeks. It's
year?
fine. It's like
2 days.
It's like Grandpa. They just age it in the window
Right,
for 2
stage
weeks.
in the window. Yeah.
All right, Mac, how do you feel about this? Have you tasted it yet or no? Okay.
A lot of comments are saying it's super sweet from what I'm seeing
I
coming
agree.
in.
It's reasonable.
Yeah, I agree, guys.
Yeah.
I would say it is very sweet.
I don't know. I'm still not really sure.
Did you water it or no?
No.
Neither did I. So that's fine.
It seems kind of just like middle of the road type thing.
It's a weird mix of sweet and peppery.
Yeah,
like
it's
I
very...
get the sweet, but then if it's kind of like pop rocks on my tongue. It's like a little
Pop rocks. Spicy.
Spicy
Are we
Pop
talking about euphemism for just alcohol burn when you say that? I mean, come on.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Because no alcohol
Pop
burn,
rocks?
I don't get on my tongue like this. No, it's like I feel it weird on the surface of my tongue.
Like a burn that goes
Yeah,
to the
kinda.
back.
Yeah. But that's to me that's peppery.
Yeah. I think watering it, as usual, it's brought more of the vanilla in the nose. Pick up on some of the vanilla now.
I'll water it. Where's my water?
You don't
Secret
have to.
compartments. Well, now I want to try it with water because you did it and saying there's more vanilla. All right.
It reminds me a lot of one we've had before.
Okay. I was wondering, like, I kept thinking we had this, but maybe we didn't.
It reminds me a little bit of McClellan,
Okay.
which may sound odd, but I drink some of that at home, so.
Okay. The McClellan, like the cheap Isla? McAllen? No.
McAllen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
McClellan is the...
Yeah, not
is the real,
that one. Not
Yeah,
McClellan.
yeah.
Sorry, McAllen. Sorry. Adam.
Minor difference in price.
Yeah, cut that, fix it. You know, it reminds me of Macallan.
Odd that you say that.
Yes.
I heard you have that at home.
I do.
And it's nothing like McClellan.
I learned it is nothing like McClellan. I learned to like it because we tried it on the show.
Indeed.
Yeah.
All right.
No, seriously.
With a little bit of water.
So yeah, it reminds me a little bit of that. It's not amazingly distinct, but I like it.
Water just killed all the pepper. All of it.
Yeah, it did.
For you,
wow.
it did. You think
Yeah.
so?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All of it.
I just wasn't. See, my mouth is broken. I wasn't picking up on the pepper. You guys were. Same way you were.
It must have been from you slapping your cheeks earlier.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, that really took that took that
Yeah.
out of it.
Yeah, just flattened it real good.
Going.
Yeah.
Whatever.
It's like a light beer now. All right, Mac.
I quit. Forget it.
No, I'm not
I'm
insulting
just
you.
gonna have root beer next time.
I'll have all the beers. Mac, scale of 1 to 10, what are you going to score the Quiet Man traditional Irish whiskey?
To me, it's right down the middle of the road. So I'm going to go 5.01. Right down the middle of the road.
Okay.
Who started the trend of the double
He did.
decimals?
He did. That was the last
No,
month he did it.
No,
I
it was
think.
Ian.
No, I've always done
Oh, yeah?
a weird
Oh,
point.
yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Sure. Now, could you tell the difference between a 5.01 and a 5.02 Scotch, or whiskey in this case?
Probably not.
Okay, that's what I thought. All right, Mr. Erik.
I don't know, man.
I don't think you can tell the difference between your old scores and your new scores. You make stuff up as you go along. We did that. We never did.
I'll give it a 5.82.
Okay.
317. Yeah.
Fine. I'll give you a pie.
You know why? Just because it's easy to drink. Like it's it's not super, but
Yeah.
yeah, it would go with anything.
Yeah. I'm
pretty good
right
balance.
along with you guys. I'm 5.4. It's straight middle of the road. Now I'm not typically an Irish whiskey guy. I'm more of a Scotch whiskey.
Yeah. But it tastes more. Doesn't it taste a little more Scottish to you? Doesn't it taste a little bit more like Scotch than some of the other Irish ones we've had?
I don't know about that, but it's very it's fine. It's not offending my taste buds.
Yeah.
I think I did like it without the water better than I liked it with the water.
Okay.
But yeah, it's fine. It's not bad. If somebody
It's fine.
somebody had this at a party, yeah, sure,
Yeah.
indeed. All right, that's our review of the Quiet Man whiskey. Do you want to be part of this community? If so, he does. If so, go check us out on the Facebook group Kilts and Culture. Join there, have a chat, sit back, have a beer, have a bevy, and enjoy the time there. You can always check us out on Instagram, on Facebook at USA Kilts, and as always, shop with us, usakilts.com. Have a good day, guys.